Hey guys, how are you? Vladimir Ribakov here from Traders Academy Club. This video is the weekly Forex Forecast Analysis for the trading week of 22 to 27 March 2020. Before we start, I would like to first of all, I hope that you are safe, you are well, you and yours. The world is going through some serious crisis and it's spreading all around. So I hope you are safe and you take care of yourself and yours and do the required steps recommended by the authorities. My best wishes for your health and your safety to you and yours. And I hope all this would pass very quick and we all will be back to normal, the life as we know that. If you are new to the channel, so first of all let me welcome you to our family, to the community. I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel. Just follow the subscribe button below this video. As well, I would like to invite you to join our free Telegram channel and to join our live trading rooms where we are covering all the trading opportunities on daily basis, day after day, week after week. So to join the Traders Academy Club and enjoy from all our live trading rooms and the trading reports that we send on daily basis, please just follow the links below in the description or in the pinned comment in the comment section. And now let's begin. Previous week turned to be an amazing trading week. I stated many times in the past, and you probably heard that from many traders. As traders, what we care about is volatility. We want the market to move. Well, the technical traders also would want technical setups. The combination of that is what we need, volatility. But it all starts with volatility. And with the right techniques, with the right technical analysis tools, you would be able to spot the right opportunities for you and to enjoy the market regardless it's in a crisis or it's in some amazing period and all flies up. We don't care as forex traders, we don't care of the directions. What we need is the market to move. And previous week was one of these weeks when it moves, and it moves big time. Let's see how this trading week was for us. So the first thing, as always, on Monday I'll be publishing the weekly forecast in the text version. So come to the blog vladimirribakov.com, and on Monday you would see the text version for the forecast available for you. Always good to refer to that to remind what were the ideas to follow for the week. My guys continue to work hard for the community regardless what's going on. We work on daily basis and we deliver for you completely this weekly forecast and the text version, which takes a lot of time to be created. We created for free for you. No charge, no cost, completely free for the community. And I hope you find it useful and helpful. If you do, please show your appreciation. Hit the like button below this video, and inside the forecast here below in the comment section, okay, just scroll down, and in the comment section just leave your feedback. Okay, your feedback at the end of this post will be very much appreciated. As I said, my guys were completely free for you here to deliver you this comfortable variation of the forecast. By saying that, I would also love to remind you, feel free to share this forecast, both video and a text version, with anyone you want. It's free for the community, hopefully to help the traders out there to enjoy the market as it provides us the opportunities. So I hope you find my ideas useful, educational and helpful. And if you do, please show your support back, hit the like button and drop some feedback below in the comment section. So let's go over the opportunities and see what do we have and how do we approach to trade it. The euro dollar, we were looking to see the beginning of a bullish trend, so the price to make higher highs, higher lows, as you can see here, and then buy retraces would be the plan. Instead of that, the euro dollar did not, well, from this area where we wanted, never made a higher highs, higher lows, so there were no buys triggered. Instead of that, we are in a bearish structure here. We are going down and the momentum is seriously to the bearish side. There is no ending divergence at the bottom. So the way I see that is still bearish, and sell the rallies would be the right thing here. We might see some rallies until we create a hidden divergences for the trend continuation. My invalidation plan would be 61.8. If we suddenly make one straight move above that, let's put it here, 61.8. If we suddenly make one straight move above the 61.8, close and hold above, that invalidates the bearish view, because in trending structure we never accept one straight move. We accept corrections, but correction is never one straight move through all the Fibos. So this is the invalidation plan we have for the euro dollar. Euro pound, the idea here is to enjoy short-term corrections and then looking for the buy opportunities. That was the zone I was expecting it to see. Now the correction started to happen, but it was slightly higher. We never got the signs of reversal that we wanted to see on this area. It went to spike through the previous high. Now we have a bounce of 0.95, which is a great psychological zone. Bollinger Band in a bit more than 2 duplications of its range. Very likely to assume we are in a corrective phase, which later on, as stated, would be looking to go for buys. But meanwhile, we managed to enjoy the great sell opportunity that we were exposed to on the last days of the week. And this opportunity was shared with you, again, completely free for the community in my TradingView channel. So you can always, during the week, we publish there our ideas as well as the blog and TradingView. You can follow these ideas we share, also follow up and updates. So that was our idea on the euro pound, to enjoy the second leg of the move down, as you can see. And here we are, enjoyed from that fantastically during the week. So what's next with this pair? As I said before, I believe we are in corrective phase, and this corrective phase could be developing into some sort of two waves, or just sort of consolidation before the continuation. This or other way around, the dips with one leg or two legs, I would be looking to enjoy for the buy opportunities. So buy dips is my view. The way I see that, we should be going higher here or slightly lower, and to complete the leg as it is created currently. So euro pound, that's what we currently have. Those of you who enjoyed the fantastic sell opportunity we got during the week, well done. I really have nothing else to say here. Now the next one on our list was the EURCAD, two waves correction and buy. Expected the rally to continue, and we got the two waves here. It didn't go deeper than that. By ideal it would go here, but it was blocked slightly before. It doesn't matter, as we got a bullish hidden divergence. We got a trend unbroken, right? This consolidation, and we got a amazing rally that delivered more than 300 points to the upside. Actually, it was more closer to the 400 points to the upside. So what do we have on the EURCAD now? Once again, for those of you who enjoyed that, congratulations. It was a great call, and I hope you did. If you did, let me know what do you think about that, about this pair, about the buys that we had, and please leave your feedback in the comment section below. What do we have now? The way I see that, we are building here a trending structure which means I would expect two waves correction here and continuation. We currently are building up some sort of trending structure here to the downside. That means some rallies here, and I believe we should be exposed to another leg to the downside. Invalidation is 61.8. If we suddenly go above that, then the short-term bearish view is over. And also, if you don't want to trade the aggressive short-term bearish, just get exposed to two waves and look for the buys, or alternatively some range and then the buys. That's the way I expect this pair to behave. And the invalidation to the buys would be 61.8 of the 3 higher highs, 3 higher lows. Why? Because if we suddenly go all the way below that, that completely invalidates the bullish view. And this is something we will not want to see. So that's for the EUROCAD, another pair that delivered and might continue and deliver greatly. Dollar CAD, one of the rock stars this week. Our plan was buy retraces with bullish evidences in play, and it's hard to see that right now, but here we are. Okay, we got the little retrace, bullish hidden divergence came in play, and all the rest is history because this pair flies. And yes, I know it's scary to think about it, but this pair flies are more than 800 points. This is amazing call and one of my best trades I've been involved with. So I hope you guys enjoy that. This was simply fantastic. What's next with this pair? I believe the area of 145 up to 150 would be problematic. I would definitely expect some retraces, and before we move forward we might expect the correction. So I still believe in the bullish directions. Buy retraces is still the right thing here. I believe we should see some fight before around this zone before the trend will change, if it will change. And for the longer run, I would not be surprised if the direction is still to push further on. So dollar CAD was amazing call, and I really hope you enjoy that. Now, before we go to the other opportunities as were discussed, let's see where did we enjoy from our live trading rooms this week. And once again, I would like to take this opportunity and to invite you to join us in our family, in a Traders Academy Club, where you'll be exposed to the live trading rooms day after day, week after week. Hard period it is, but we are there, we are working, and we continue to deliver on daily basis to all our followers. We give you the best of the ideas and the setups the way we see them. You will need to trade it. As simple as that. If you are serious with your trading goals, I invite you to join our family. If you are looking, just please hear me out here. If you are looking for some fast solutions, like abracadabra and you are with massive profits, don't waste your time. Do not waste my time, please. I am not a magician, and I don't know to deliver any holy grails calls or anything like that. We are trading for real. And we deliver for real on daily basis. So if you are serious about your approach and your trading, I believe Traders Academy Club could be good for you. If not, if you are looking for some holy grails, please, I'm not the right man for you. So don't waste your time and don't waste my time. And thank you very much for that. And now let's take a look on the calls we had this week. First of them, the biggest one was the pound dollar sell, where we were expecting to see, after retraces, to see the continuation down, and the pound dollar, as we know, was one of the best this week. So here was our spot at the beginning of the week. We got the two waves correction, bearish hidden divergence that came in play for trend continuation. All the rest was much bigger than we expected and all the rest is history. It was amazing move and great returns. So Britain, like anyone else, now take into consideration the crisis with this pandemic, COVID-19, the coronavirus. What's next with this pair? I believe the party is not over. There is more to go, and like with the euro dollar, I think pullbacks to here or slightly higher should deliver us next sell opportunities. Unless the trend will change, which currently I don't see any reason for that, I would be looking to deal with sell the rallies. I think there is more to go there. Our next amazing call this week was on the CAD yen, where we enjoyed the sells. What we got here basically was a bearish trending pattern with two waves correction, and we were bearish hidden divergence for trend connection. We were expecting a new low, and the CAD yen also. Where's my CAD yen? Here. And the CAD yen also delivered greatly here, and we were blocked here with the bullish divergence, so it was a fantastic trade. What's next with this pair? I believe we are currently in a reversal phase, which means we're gonna face here some sort of arranging period or some rally in two waves, and then we will see. Basically, I believe we should be experiencing this way or a range until it turns around and goes down again. Until then, my view remains in the corrective cycle right now. It was a fantastic call. Another one was the pound New Zealand, where we expected continuation after the retraces. Now, it was also one of the best calls this week. We got the retraces. Actually, it was twice. That was the beginning of the week, where we enjoyed a huge move, and then the bigger retrace with the bearish hidden divergence, and also straight move to the downside. Great calls, great opportunities by the market here. Now with this pair, personally, I don't know any view. I don't have any view because that's a bullish divergence after the ABCD. I'm neutral on this pair right now. Anyway, I can keep going and going. Also gold, we had amazing call here, and the EURCAD, as you know, I just showed you before. Anyway, I can keep go over that, but that's not the idea. Wanted to show you here to give you briefly ideas what did we trade this week, what is on the list as well. I invite you to enjoy from daily live trading room, as I said before, with all these setups. Basically, what you get is the watch list with the time frames, and below you would find all the explanation about it. It takes a lot to create these reports. We put a lot of effort for our followers to deliver them the best opportunities as we see them on daily basis, on weekly basis. Some weeks we have many, some weeks we have less opportunities, but what matters is we continue to deliver and to work for our followers. What are the commodities we are in? The gold, as you remember from the forecast. Gold. Let me find my gold here. On gold, I believe we are into the bigger scale here of the weekly. So sell the rallies is the plan. The way gold behaves right now is the first leg still. So sell the rallies is still my plan here. Nothing changed, just provided opportunities during the week. As the week started, we got some gap and then amazing continuation. Then another two waves with bearish hidden divergence and another push down all the way. Great opportunities. That's big moves, guys. That's big moves. Something the market doesn't do frequently. So it's time to enjoy from that. And the way I see that, we are going into two waves here and for sell or some sort of a range and then sell continuation. Invalidation would be, as always, 61.8 in trading structures. If we suddenly go straight above that, close and hold above, it invalidates the sell. Indices, we also enjoyed our ongoing sells. As you remember, quick reminder, okay, the Dow Jones and the German DAX. So they, all of them, since the beginning of the week, sell the rallies is still the plan. We didn't have yet trend change reversal, so the bearish momentum is yet on. And for Dow Jones and the S&P and the rest of indices, the pressure to the downside is real. Okay, when will that finish? We don't know. So currently, it's still running sells. That's all I can say. Of course, we are not exposed fully. As you remember, I explained previous week, we are involved twice, one from here, one from here. And it's unbelievable sell. Partially running, and I say partially because when we start to spot the divergences, we cash out parts. We don't want to get full risk running. And the rest continues to run until we will face any trend change. Until then, the bearish momentum is yet on. So that's pretty much it. That's what the market delivered. What is for this week? What do I plan in the live trading room? There are several opportunities on the list. Besides the one that you saw, there is the Aussie Kiwi and the dollar franc, which also, by the way, was the one that we traded this week. After spotting the 3 higher highs, higher lows, we were looking for the trend continuation from current zone or slightly lower. And as you can see, dollar franc continues big time after the little retrace in 2 waves. So this is another pair that we are going to follow this week, and there are many more opportunities we are going to trade. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you a fantastic trading week, and I invite you once again to join our live trading rooms and to enjoy from all these ideas and the updates on daily basis. As you saw, we put a lot of work, video, and a detailed report to our followers. It takes a lot of effort, but the most important thing to me and my team is always deliver our best. So I wish you good health, stay safe, protect yourself, follow the authorities' instructions, take these steps, and don't think that anyone is not exposed. This is real and it's scary, and just stay well and be healthy, be responsible for your actions, and please help those who need it more. It's in our hands right now to give back to those who need with whatever the way we can do that. I myself isolated also right now, the kids at home. As challenging it is, find the positive things, enjoy the opportunities you have. I find privilege and honor to be able to deliver in a trading world, sharing my opportunities and help traders around the world to enjoy from these amazing opportunities the market deliver, and hopefully to help to deal with these financial challenges that many people are going through. So thank you once again very much for your time. I'm Vladimir Ribakov from Traders Academy Club, and I wish you everything the best, mainly health, stay safe, and good trading week ahead.